Hey guys, it's your girl Latanya Shante. Okay, let's get into these Tory Burch finds because baby, I did not come to play. First off, the logo watch. Classy, timeless, and yes, it screams I got places to be. Then I had to grab the logo earrings to match it because what's a wrist without a little ear candy? Now that the tennis shoes, listen, sporty but giving rich auntie vibes. And don't get me started on my Mother's Day purse. The bag fits everything snacks, keys, lip gloss, attitude, you name it. She's in there. Of course, I had to double up with the sandals, black and white, because one pair wasn't enough. And to finish it off, the logo bracelet, period. Tory Burch, thank you for keeping me booked, busy, and cute. Bye bye.